How to change Naver app to English? Let's get started. Launch your Naver app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Your map will open up. In case you are having issues with this Korean language in the Naver app, you can easily switch to the English. For that, what you have to do is click on three bars given at the top left corner. Now navigate to this settings icon. Once you're in this page, you'll find the option of language over here. Clicking on that, different language options will appear. Select the option of English, and with that, the language will be updated for this app. Once you set it to English, now it's gonna appear in both English and Korean, just like mine. In case you are unable to find that option within your app, you can use the web version. For that, launch your preferred browser. Now, in the search box, type in naver.com and then search for it. In the web version as well, firstly, it's gonna appear in the Korean language. You have to click on the three dots, then select the option of English. Now it's gonna appear in the English. Click on this icon, click on login, provide your credentials and log into your account. So this way you are able to change Naver app to English. In case these solutions doesn't work for you, what you can do is download any of the translation app and use it. By following these steps, you can change Naver app to English. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.